Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we're reporting live from Walgreens because we're about to get into a couple deals. This is going to be a really simple video today because there's not too much I wanted to do at Walgreens, but I wanted to show you guys what I did. So I'm going to show you a couple in-store deals first that I did, and then I'm going to show you an online pickup order that I did that worked out really nicely. So you know how I do, we're not going to waste any time. Let's jump right into it. So first up, we're going to be doing this deal on the soft soap. These babies right here are buy two get back a $5 register reward this week, and they are $4.99 each. So I'm going to be buying one of each of these for $4.99. That is going to total me up to $9.98. For one of them, we're going to use that $2 digital coupon. For the other one, we're going to use the $1 paper coupon. At the register, we are going to be paying $6.98, and then we're going to get back $5 in a register reward. That's going to make our final cost just 99 cents each. And here's my receipt for that soft soap deal. My total came up to $6.98 plus tax. I did use $5 in Walgreens cash to pay, and I did get back that $5 register reward that I rolled into the next deal that I'm about to show you. The next deal we're going to grab is on the Vitafusion vitamins. This is a really good deal this week that I'm super excited about because I love this brand of vitamins. These are buy one get one 50% off this week. And when you spend $25 on wellness products, we have a $7 Walgreens cash reward for spending $25. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to pick up two of them that are $16.99, because since they're buy one get one 50% off, $16.99 will make them $25.48 when we pick up two, and the multivitamins are priced at $16.99 in my store, so I'm going to grab two of those. We're starting out at $25.48, which is a higher total, and we're not going to use Walgreens cash because this is a spin deal. But we do have a very nice $10 off of two digital coupon to bring down our out-of-pocket. So I'm going to use that $10 coupon, and that's going to bring us down to $15.48. If you have any register rewards, you can also use them in this deal. I'm going to be using the $5 register reward that I just earned from the soft soap. So $15.48, and we are going to get back $7 in Walgreens cash for spending $25 in the wellness products. And we're going to submit back for $6 in cash back on Ibotta, $3 on each one. And these two babies are printing out a $5 register reward. They are on a Catalina promotion as well. So when we buy two of them, we're going to get back a $5 register reward. After that $5 register reward, these two babies will be free plus a $2.52 moneymaker. And as always, with Ibotta, if you've been having any issues getting your money back when you use coupons, you may want to bypass this deal. I did not have any issues receiving my money back. This offer did not exclude any coupon use. So I've already gotten my $6 back for this deal, which made it really nice. All right, you guys, so this vitamin deal worked out really good. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt so you can see how everything worked out. So we picked up $25.48 worth of the Vitafusion. I used the $5 register reward that I had from the soft soap and the Irish Spring, and then I had the $10 off of two digital coupon. That left me to pay out $15.48. So $15.48, I really paid out $10.48 plus tax. I did get back the $7 in Walgreens cash for spending $25, so that takes off $7. Then I got back $6 from Ibotta, and I also got this $5 register reward for purchasing these as well. So my final cost for these was free plus a $2.52 moneymaker. So this little deal was really good because this completely paid for the 2 bottles of body wash that we just got for our last in-store transaction. All right, you guys, so this is my final deal for today. This is my online pickup order. This was so easy, so simple, and completely free. So the first part of this deal, I wanted to grab the Vaseline lotion. So with the Vaseline lotion, we have their buy one get one 50% off. And we have a promo this week where if you spend $12, it's another spend deal, so no Walgreens cash, you will get back $3 in Walgreens cash. So they're $4.49, buy one, get one 50% off. I went on ahead and picked up 4 of them in order to get to that $12 mark. So that totals us up to $13.47. I had 3 different digital coupons. I had a $2 off one, a $1.50 off one, and a $3.50 off of one. So that was $7 in digitals. So with that $7 in digitals, that brings you down to $6.47. Then you get back the $3 in Walgreens cash, making your final cost just $3.47 or 86 cents each. The next items I grabbed was the Shea Moisture soap. These are not on any promotion this week, but I needed a filler item because I had a spend 22 get 6-point booster. So I wanted to add in a higher item that I also had a matching digital coupon for. And this $5 off of 2 Shea Moisture coupon that I had was about to expire soon. So I went on ahead and added 2 of these. With the promo code that I used, the WAG10 promo code, these came up to $8 for 2. With that $5 digital, I ended up paying $3 for both of them, making them $1.50 each. And then the final item I grabbed was the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. These are $3.09. I used the $1.50 digital coupon that brings them down to $1.59. Then I went inside so I could get a paper receipt for this pickup order, and I submitted back to Ibotta for $2 in cash back and made the Arm & Hammer a 41-cent moneymaker. Now, if you're not able to get a paper receipt with your pickup order for some reason, you can swap out this item in this deal. You can grab like the Palmolive or the Fabuloso wipes. They would be an easy substitute. So here is a close-up of my receipt for this order. Very simple. Subtotal came up to $10.29. All of my digitals applied, and I did use that WAG10 promo code. I was able to pay this with my PayPal funds from Ibotta. So $10.29 was the total cost. And then I did get back a total of $9 in Walgreens cash for this deal. I got back $6 for my spin booster and then $3 for the Vaseline. And I submitted over to Ibotta for $2 in cash back. So we paid out a total of $10.29. We got back a total of $11 for this deal, which already made it free, plus a 71-cent moneymaker. But when I scanned my receipt to fetch rewards, I saw that I was also tracking for a Unilever promotion for the Vaseline products. So that made me go back in because I only needed like $2 more in order to get back $3.50 from Fetch Rewards. And I also picked up this Vaseline lip product for $2.19. It was not on sale, but I did use $2 in Walgreens cash. When I did that, I got back another $3.50 from Fetch Rewards for this deal. So when you add in the cost of the lip balm, we paid out $12.48. And then I got back $3.50 from Fetch Rewards. I got back $2 from Ibotta, and I got back $9 in Walgreens cash. That makes this little deal a $2 moneymaker. So all in all of these products today were completely free for us, plus a $2 moneymaker because we made $2 with our online order. We made $2 with the Vitafusion, and then we spent $2 on the body wash. So a $2 moneymaker for these little goodies that we got. So all right, y'all, this is my complete Walgreens haul for this week. Super simple and easy this week, and a $2 moneymaker for everything that we got. I'm excited to get stocked up on the Vaseline, got the Shea Moisture, and also got this awesome deal on the Vitafusion gummies. Let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.